first introduction. We're two kooks. I'm Jimmy.
I'm Nick. We're on our way to an exploring abandoned quarry right now. We're doing this shit every week, leveling it up all the time. So we really want you guys to come on this journey with us. So subscribe, and we hope you enjoy the rest of our video.
Enjoy the rest of this. Peace. Alright guys, we've been walking for like a couple minutes now and we just stumbled across this amazing bridge. It's probably like 140 foot, which looks insane.
Looks like we might be able to get underneath this thing, so we'll check back in when we're on the bottom. Found our way underneath this thing. It looks insane.
Yeah, we're gonna get up on it now and just see what happens.
Oh shit! You got your key?
Wrong key, mate.
Yes, bro. There's these little hooks that hold the boards in, and they were out on a few of the planks. I had to walk across the beams like this. Okay, so we just finished up underneath this bridge. Super sketchy. We're standing on loose boards. The rails down there were cracked, but it's all good. We're just gonna go and hit the main quarry here now and see what we find. So we'll catch you guys in there. This place was abandoned, but the train driver's still here, man.
We've got an emergency. Yeah. We're about to derail.
Your seat just cracked.
good time for the sunset. Found a sick tower, so we're gonna go up the top, watch it. See you up there.
So we just got to the top of this tower. It's super shaky up here, but we just finished watching the sunset. We've been around this whole quarry. I don't even know what else to say, mate.
Right, so we're clocking out now. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like this and more adventures of what we do, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tune in for the next one.